Hello everyone, Guten Tag, and welcome back to our channel Lingo Buddy. In the previous lesson, we have learned about weekdays, months, seasons in Germany. And in this lesson, we will learn about basic sentence structure, that is Satzstruktur. Once again, Satzstruktur and W-Fragen. That is questions starting with W. By the end of this lesson, you will know 5 essential German question words, 3 useful bonus words, 1 simple pattern for building real questions, short quiz, a dialogue demonstration, and the final question challenge. Stay till the end of the video. So, fangen wir an. Let's begin with the 5 words you will use again and again. Our first word is was. Once again, was. Was means what. Was machst du? What are you doing? Repeat after me. Was machst du means what are you doing? Our second word is where. Where means who. Where is das? Who is that? Once again, where ist das? Who is that? Our third word is wie. Wie means how. Wie heißt du? Once again, wie heißt du? It means what is your name? The next word is wo. Wo means where. Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Once again, wo wohnst du? Where do you live? And the final word is wann. Wann means when. Wann kommst du? When are you coming? Once again, wann kommst du? When are you coming? And now, say the words after me. Was, where, wie, wo, wann. And now, here is a mini quiz for you. Which one word completes this question? Dash, wohnst du. And the correct option is B. That is, wo wohnst du. Now, let's look at the useful pattern to build sentences. When you build a normal sentence or use W-Fragen, that is, questions starting with W, you use one concrete structure, that is, subject plus conjugated verb plus object, or W-Frage plus conjugated verb plus subject. If you have noticed, only the position of subject or object changes, but verb remains at the second position only. See for example, wo plus wohnst plus du. Was plus machst plus du. Wann plus kommst plus du. Don't get confused about what is du, why kommst, and what is machst. I will explain that to you in upcoming videos. For now, please focus on this structure and W-Fragen. And now, are you ready for 3 bonus words? These 3 words make your questions much more useful. The words are Warum. Warum means why. Warum lernst du Deutsch? Which means why are you learning German? Second word is Woher. Woher means where from. Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du means where are you from? And the third word is wohin. Wohin means where to. Wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du means where are you going? And here is a second mini quiz for you. Imagine you are going to the train station, and do I ask woher or wohin? The answer is wohin. Wohin gehst du means where are you going? And if you genuinely don't know the answer, you simply say keine Ahnung. Keine Ahnung means no idea. And now you will listen to a short conversation between two colleagues. Count how many question words you hear.
Hallo, wie heißt du?
Ich heiße Nina. Und du?
Ich heiße Tom. Woher kommst du?
Ich komme aus Indien. Und wo wohnst du jetzt?
Ich wohne in Berlin. Warum lernst du Deutsch?
Weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. Even if you don't understand some words, don't worry. You will understand them eventually. And now it's time for the final challenge. Our first question is, how will you say what in German? You are right, it is was. Second question is, what is the meaning of where from? It's woher. Next question is, complete the following question. Dash kommst du. You are right. It is wann kommst du means when are you coming? And the last one is, why are you learning German? You are right. It is Warum lernst du Deutsch? And here is the recap of all words we have just learned today. Was, where, wie, wo, wann, warum, woher, and wohin. Write one German question in the comments. In the next lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself in German. We will use the words we have learned today for building our introduction step by step. Till then, like, share and subscribe to our channel Lingo Buddy. Bis bald. Tschüss.